UCS Ultimate Civil Engineering Solutions.
ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, UCSൻ്റെ പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. കോൺക്രീറ്റ് ടെക്നോളജി എന്ന സബ്ജക്റ്റിൽ നിന്നുള്ള 25 പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസറുകളാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് ചോദ്യത്തിലോട്ട് കടക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: എ ഫൈൻ അഗ്രിഗേറ്റ് ഈസ് വൺ ഹൂസ് പാർട്ടിക്കിൾ ആർ ഓഫ് സൈസ്. ഓപ്ഷൻസ് ആർ: ഓപ്ഷൻ എ 4.75 mm, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ബിലോ 4.75 mm, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി 6.75 mm, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി എബോവ് 6.75 mm. Answer is option B, below 4.75 mm. Next question: air permeability test is done to measure. Options are: option A, setting time of cement, option B, soundness of cement, option C, chemical composition of cement, option D, fineness of cement. Answer is option D, fineness of cement. Next question: bulking of sand caused due to. Options are: option A, surface moisture, option B, viscosity, option C, air in voids, option D, slit present. Answer is option A, surface moisture. Next question: concrete gains strength due to. Options are: option A, chemical reaction of cement with sand and coarse aggregate, option B, evaporation of water from concrete, option C, hydration of cement, option D, all the above. Answer is option C, hydration of cement. Next question: grading of aggregates in a concrete mix is mainly essential to achieve. Options are: option A, adequate workability, option B, higher density, option C, reduction in voids, option D, better durability. Answer is option C, reduction in voids. Next question: inert material of cement concrete mix is. Options are: option A, water, option B, aggregate, option C, cement, option D, none of this. Answer is option B, aggregate. Next question: strength of cement concrete depends on. Options are: option A, quantity of aggregate, option B, quality of cement, option C, water cement ratio, option D, quality of aggregate. Answer is option C, water cement ratio. Next question: the increase in volume of sand due to the presence of surface moisture up to some extent is. Options are: option A, ponding, option B, bulking, option C, bleeding, option D, segregation. Answer is option B, bulking. Next question: the maximum particle size of fine aggregate is. Options are: option A, 5.25 mm, option B, 4.75 mm, option C, 4.25 mm, option D, 3.75 mm. Answer is option B, 4.75 mm. Next question: Vickers apparatus is generally used to measure. Options are: option A, conductivity of water, option B, consistency of cement, option C, shear strength of soil, option D, soundness of cement. Answer is option B, consistency of cement. Next question: a lightweight concrete can be produced. Options are: option A, by using lightweight aggregate, option B, by introducing large voids within the concrete, option C, by omitting fine aggregate, option D, all the above. Answer is option D, all the above. Next question: According to IS code, the size of cube for compression test is. Options are option A 5 cm, option B 15 cm, option C 25 cm, option D 4 cm. Answer is option B 15 cm. Next question. As per Indian standards, the recommended value of initial setting time of OPC is. Options are option A not less than 30 minutes, option B more than 30 minutes, option C not more than 30 minutes, option D less than 30 minutes. Answer is option A not less than 30 minutes. Next question. Compacting factor test is carried out on a concrete to determine. Options are option A compressive strength, option B workability, option C tensile strength, option D setting time. Answer is option B workability. Next question. For nominal mixed concrete M20, the required quantity of water for 50 kg of cement is. Options are option A 60 liter, option B 45 liter, option C 34 liter, option D 30 liter. Answer is option D 30 liters. Next question. General shrinkage in cement concrete is caused by. Options are option A carbonation, option B stress due to external load, option C drying starting with stiff consistency, option D drying starting with wetter consistency. Answer is option D drying starting with wetter consistency. Next question. If more water is added to concrete to get required workability, it results into. Options are option A increased strength, option B increased life, option C low strength, option D none of the above. Answer is option C low strength. Next question. In making concrete, maximum density is achieved by. Options are option A using sufficient cement to fill all the voids, option B controlling the particle size of ingredient, option C controlling the particle size distribution of the ingredient, option D reducing the quantity of mixing water. Answer is option C controlling the particle size distribution of the ingredient. Next question. Modulus of elasticity of concrete improves by. Options are option A shorter curing period, option B age, option C higher water cement ratio, option D all of these. Answer is option B age. Next question. Optimum water cement ratio in concrete is. Options are option A 0.5 to 0.6, option B 0.6 to 0.8, option C 0.3 to 0.4, option D 0.4 to 0.5. Answer is option D 0.4 to 0.5. Next question. Separation of coarse aggregate from concrete during transportation is known as. Options are option A shrinkage, option B creeping, option C segregation, option D bleeding. Answer is option C segregation. Next question. The admixtures are added in concrete. Options are option A to increase the workability, option B to increase the strength of concrete, option C to accelerate the rate of setting and hardening of cement, option D all of these. Answer is option D all of these. Next question. The common admixture used to accelerate the initial set of concrete is. Options are option A gypsum, option B calcium chloride, option C mixture of bitumen and inert material, option D byproduct of bitumen. Answer is option B calcium chloride. Next question. The compaction of concrete affects its. Options are option A density, option B strength, option C durability, option D all the above. Answer is option D all the above. Final question. The concrete slump recommended for beams and slab is. Options are option A 75 to 125 mm, option B 50 to 100 mm, option C 30 to 125 mm, option D 25 to 50 mm. Answer is option C 30 to 125 mm. കോൺക്രീറ്റ് ടെക്നോളജി എന്ന ടോപ്പിക്കിൽ നിന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസറുകളെല്ലാം തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്കെല്ലാവർക്കും ഉപകാരപ്രദമായിരിക്കുമെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഇതുപോലുള്ള കൂടുതൽ വീഡിയോസിനായി പ്ലീസ് ലൈക്ക്, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ആൻഡ് സപ്പോർട്ട് മൈ ചാനൽ. താങ്ക് യു.